Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C31 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, we have to open the dialer, of course the keypad, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *# 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is actually very similar to the previous one, and it is *# 07 pound. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can open the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the software info, and the code is *# 6776 pound. And as I said, we are in the software version, so here we can check, for example, the model, the baseband version, and the kernel or the branch. Let's get back and let's enter another code, and the code is *# 888 pound. And right here we've got the hardware revision, so you can scan this QR code with another device and check some further details. What's more, you can check the PCB number here. Let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics which are provided by Google, and the code is *# 426 *#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or SAR level. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and as you can see here we've got more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *# 225 pound *#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the firmware version, and probably this code is the easiest one to remember, because it is *# 1234 pound. And as I said, here the window with the software version will simply pop out. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, actually the last code, which will open the feedback menu, and the code is *# 800 pound. And as I said, here we've got the feedback menu. So here we've got the normal scene, we've got the tools introduction. So here you can learn what the scene usage introduction actually is, what kind of options here you've got. You can enter the settings, and as you can see, we've got the normal scene, the data scene, audio scene, and so on and so on. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your REALME C31. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.